So this is the carrot that I made last year, and I wanted to show you all how easy it is to make your own carrots. And they look so cute on a wreath or bundled together in threes. But anyways, this is what you need: some twine, some orange paint of any kind. I use masking tape, a paintbrush, and you will need a glue gun and a glue stick. And then I've just used this paper. This came from Home Goods, you know, when you buy something and they wrap it up for you. Very easy. Now you could use orange yarn and it would be so much easier. You wouldn't have to paint it. So here I'm showing you how I'm just crumbling up my paper and shaping it as a carrot. And this is so easy, and really you don't have to think too much about this. Just crumble it up and get a basic shape of a carrot, the length that you want. This is a large carrot. It's probably 12 inches anyways. And that's my carrot. So I'm going to take some of my masking tape and just kind of put a little bit around, you know, throughout, and just squeeze it tighter in places where I want the carrot to be narrower, and all the way down to the tip. And that just basically holds it together. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to tape the entire thing with masking tape. You can use any tape. I just like using the masking tape because, you know, I don't want to use blue painter's tape. I don't want to see the tape underneath. But yarn would be perfect if you have yarn. So I'm going to start wrapping it at the very top. And because my twine is a little on the thin side, I'm doubling it up to go faster. And really this process does not take very long to wrap it. So I've got 2 pieces of twine at the same time, and I'm just gonna wrap it all the way down. Does not have to be perfect. You're not gonna notice anything once you paint it. So after I've got it all wrapped, it took me about 7 or 8 minutes to do this. Seriously, so easy. Now at the top, I'm gonna use, as you can see, I have a shish kebab spear, but you can use anything sharp with a point, and you're going to poke a little hole right in the top, and that is where you're going to insert your greenery for your carrot top. But before you do the greenery, go ahead and paint your carrot. And this paint was paint I found at Dollar Tree. It worked out okay. And like I say, any paint you have, apple barrel or anything, just a nice carrot color, and go ahead and paint the entire thing. And like I say, yarn would work great if you have orange yarn. So it's still very wet, but I wanted to show you. I poked a little hole in the top, and doesn't that look like a cute carrot? It really does look like a shape of a carrot. And I've gone ahead and this is a pick that I had got from Walgreens, part of a pick. I only used part of it. And I went ahead and hot glued it, put a little hot glue in the hole, and inserted the greenery right in the top. And this just comes out so cute. It's still so wet. I'm trying to pick it up to show you. And so I'll hold it up against my black refrigerator here so you can see it. I still have some glue strings on there I have to get off, but look at it. It looks just like a carrot. And like I say, they're so cute, bundled in 3 or on a wreath. So easy. Go ahead and try it. So thanks for watching. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye for now.